Some of the new arrivals. How about the 1963 Mercury Comet Convertible? Now, this is an affordable classic. It's a convertible, checks all the right boxes. It's got it's a white over red. It's a nice color combination. Very original example. It's got the inline six, which is okay. Plenty of power for that car.
Sure.
It's not like you feel like, oh God, this thing is 200 power. It's not at all. And of course, the styling was pretty cool. And they were plain looking, sort of like we talked about last week, like the Novas and the what were the other
Falcons.
The Falcons. They were kind of boxy looking in a cool way.
Yeah.
The El Caminos back in the day were as well too. So